Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you ready for a 5-minute cardio workout in which you will be exercising for 20 seconds and will rest for 15 seconds? So let's get started with the warm up. Let's do some light jogging. And now we will do a hip flexor stretch. Take a big step out, keep your hands on your waist and try to get down, keeping your back straight. Let's do 6 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's do on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Great, we are warmed up now and we are ready to begin. Let's start with our first exercise, which is jumping jacks for 20 seconds. And rest. Next is alternating toe touches like this. Keep your core really tight. Ready? And go. And stop. And now it's time for march twists, just like this, and we will be doing 8 each side. So ready? Go. On the other side. And rest. Time for mountain climbers. Get down, engage your core, and we are starting now. And rest. Next is plank to hands up like this. And start. Come on, it's only for 5 minutes and then you are free. Think it like that. And rest. Now it's time for bicycles. Touch your opposite elbow with your opposite knee and squeeze. Go. and stop. Now let's kick our butts. Ready? Go. And stop. Let's do alternate foot rope jump. Make an imaginary jumping rope and jump like this. Ready? Go. And rest. And now the last exercise of this workout is side shuffle to sit. For this, take 2 steps and then try to sit a little and repeat on the other side. And go. And give me your best shot. And stop. Well done. That's all for today, and if you liked this workout, hit the like button right now. And let's stretch. Now it's time for me to go, and I will be back with more workouts. Till then, bye bye and take care.